Who wants some vitamin C? Who wants their vitamins? Who needs a vitamin? Who needs a vitamin? Do you? Do you need your vitamin to be healthy? Yes. Do you need yours, baby? Yes. Who needs a vitamin? Who does? Oh, oh, careful, fingers. Do you need a vitamin, baby girl? What about you, Seaboard? Do you want some forage? Oops, that was... I don't know what he's doing over there. Come here. You got your forage. I need attention. I need attention. I don't... Whoa! That's my finger, you little goof troop. I don't have anything. You already had yours. You already had your vitamins. You already had them. You already had them. You're so silly. You're so silly. You already had your vitamins. Don't nip them. You don't nip. What's she doing to you? What's she doing to you? Oh, are you gonna clean his eye for him? That's awfully kind of you. After you nipped him. Me? A little booger.